This juice right here is probably one of my favorite combinations. I do have a whole video on my favorite juices, so I'll leave that linked below and in the cards here on the video. But this one has celery, carrots, apple, ginger, lemon, and cucumber, and it's this really interesting color, but I promise it's super tasty. It has a little bit of a kick to it, and it's definitely a great way to hydrate and start my morning out. First thing, I'm gonna hop on the computer and do some emails really quick and kind of start organizing my day. I am just about to head to my first workout today. Yes, first workout today. So excited. I'm actually going to be going on a hike with a friend here in a little bit, but I'm going to be doing some body weight exercises and some weights today in the gym, focusing on the upper body and the ab area. So I'm going to have just a bowl of grapes. I really like to have fruit as a pre-workout. For me, the natural sugar is a great energy boost, and I personally cannot work out with a bunch of food in my system. I feel super nauseous when I do that, so this tends to work for me. So I'm gonna eat this, grab a pre-workout, and head down to the gym. Oh my gosh, yes, this is the cup you know is going down when you see Heisenberg. Give that a good little mix. I'm gonna just chug this because I don't like the taste of pre-workout. That's why I switch between different ones, because usually I'll take a capsule so I don't have to bother with all this excess liquid in my system. Sweaty mess, but I'm gonna add in all of my deliciousness into my bullet. So I'm gonna add all of my ingredients. I don't really measure anything out. I like to eyeball everything. And I am meeting up with Annie, like I said, in a little bit. This is the maca. So this will be nice to fuel me in between my workouts. I love hemp seeds. I actually eat these every single day, and they just add a nice nuttiness to the smoothie, and again, extra protein. Chia seeds. Collagen peptides. I'm probably not going to do a whole scoop. Collagen's great for your skin, hair, and nails. And the main star of the show, I usually have Vega protein, which again is plant-based. This one honestly smells like Play-Doh. I'm low-key nervous about it, and I was going to get the coconut, but they were all sold out at the stores, so I'm kind of curious to see if I'll be able to taste this in my smoothie. But I'm not going to do a full scoop because I don't ever do a full scoop. That's why I added in the hemp seeds, because that's already packed in protein, and I don't like it to be thick. Fill it all the way to the top with the water. Guys, it looks so good. Of course, I always add ice. You guys know the drill. I like my stuff to be icy and cold. I'm gonna drink this before I leave the house because I put it in this jar, and this would just be way too messy in the Jeep if I tried to bring it with me. But it's like the perfect consistency, so if you guys don't like thick protein shakes, you know, this is a great way to make them so it tastes really good. That protein powder is not bad. You can definitely taste a little bit of vanilla, and what I like about it is it doesn't taste artificial. You know, some protein powders will just taste really artificially sweetened. That's not the case with this at all. And now that I'm trying it out, it makes me really want to try out the coconut flavor, because I feel like the coconut with the banana and the spinach and the mango would be more tropical. So I think I might pick that up as well, because I do use protein powders on a regular basis within my everyday routine, and that is only, I think, like 15 servings or something in that container. But like I said, 15 grams of protein. I used about half of a scoop, but everything else, like the chia seeds, the hemp seeds, and all the fruit and spinach is extra additional protein as well. So I'm gonna drink my smoothie and change my shoes, grab my bag, and head down to the car, and we're gonna run to the park. Not literally, but you know what I mean. We're gonna drive to the park and meet up with the girls for a nice relaxing hike. Now, I already worked out and did like my strength trainings. I made sure to stretch, and what I showed you guys is my foam rolling routine because my muscles get very, very tight, especially when I'm hiking uphill. It's a lot of incline. My legs want to give out on me, so I didn't want that to happen today. So I definitely made sure to take time to stretch my muscles and really work out those kinks. But so far I'm at 356 burned calories for the day, and my total time of activity was 54 minutes, which is great. So that's super awesome. Definitely going to exceed that today. So I guess I'll check back in with you guys later with the update on where I'm at. But let me like stop rambling because it's already almost, I'm wearing a watch. Kayla, what time is it? 3:33 in the afternoon. I feel so good. I just love to sweat. I love to sweat. I like when I'm active. I like when I push myself. Like I said earlier, my abs are on fire, and that's the point. You want to feel the burn. You gotta feel the burn to see results, and that's the ultimate feeling, is to be sore the next day. Also, I'm just wearing a Nike top. Had to tie it in a knot because it's not really the most flattering thing. Look at this. It makes me look huge, but that's okay. Doesn't really matter what you wear to work out as long as you work out right. Underneath is just a basic black sports bra from Adore Me, and then I have on these Champion leggings with pockets, perfect for my hike today. Nike socks with Adidas slides because I took them to the sauna, but I'm gonna put on my Nike hiking shoes in a bit.
No more chasing, I really need.
Snack time, you guys. This has been one of my favorite snacks to do. I have this banana that definitely needed to be eaten up. This is when it's the sweetest and the most delicious. So I actually picked up this raw almond butter from Trader Joe's. It's nothing but almonds, and I love this stuff. It's so good. It has a little bit of a crunch to it. So I'm toasting up some Ezekiel bread right now, and I'm just going to assemble my little toast. It's going to be so bomb. If you guys are looking for a happy medium between sweet and savory, this is definitely something that I would recommend you guys try out. Yes, you guys, this looks so bomb. I already know it's going to be so delicious. Now, this is like what I'm having directly after my workout today. I am about to hop in the shower because I'm getting ready to go out to the bar club tonight. So I wanted to have something quick before I actually have my dinner, and this is high in protein. So the Ezekiel bread is great. I love it so much because it is packed with protein. It says that it is 4 grams per serving, so 8 grams of protein in the bread alone, and then with the almond butter there is about 7 grams, so 15 grams of protein right here. This is what I'm here for. Love a good high protein healthy snack. So I've done some meal prep. If you guys watched my last video, links down below. I've already heated this up, and I'm just gonna have this for my dinner. It's just, well, go watch the video and you guys will be able to see what this is and how I make them. I am getting ready to go out tonight to Hollywood, so this will be my last meal of the day. So that's just about going to wrap up what I eat in a day. So I hope that you dolls enjoyed this video. It is 8:13. So bon appetit.